Appreciate that as always. We have some storms brewing out there tonight.
Severe thunderstorm watch, in fact. It includes Austin right now, and it's in effect until midnight tonight. There are no storms in the immediate vicinity anywhere around Austin, in fact, so let's show you where they are. That's a pretty heavy thunderstorm in Lee County showing up on our storm profiler radar, but it appears that it will stay to the southeast of Lexington and east of Giddings as it continues to move off to the southeast at about, let's see how fast that thing's moving, 17 miles per hour. May have some hail in it, up to 1 inch in diameter, which is severe criteria hail, so that is a borderline severe thunderstorm there. Let's pan back to the northwest and see this little cell up here near Jarrell. This is nowhere near severe. It does have some maybe small heavy downpours in it, maybe some small hail in it too. It's just growing now though, the top on it up to 13,000 feet, so that's not much of a little thunder shower. You can see the little boundary right there. See that little green line? That is a little outflow boundary that these storms have been forming on this afternoon, and that's headed right down toward Georgetown, so we could see additional development along that boundary as it moves down toward the Austin metro area or further into the Austin metro area a little later on in the afternoon. Thunderstorm over the very near the Killeen area is strong. These out here in Lampasas and San Saba County are part of some clusters that were severe earlier in the afternoon. That storm there not too far from Lomita, moving northeast at about 17 miles per hour. Some hail up to 1 inch in diameter, so borderline severe. And that little cell right there near San Saba appears to also just be growing at the present time as it is drifting off to the east at about 15 miles per hour. So those are the only immediate threats around the area, and again, none of those severe, but this is the severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect now until midnight tonight. The Storm Prediction Center is saying they believe that these multi-cell clusters of thunderstorms up to the north of us all day long may hold together as they move into a more unstable air mass down here in central Texas and potentially blow up into something larger when they get here. Large hail, damaging thunderstorm winds, and dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning will be the primary threat this evening. We will be monitoring it for you here in the Weather Center, and we'll keep you updated throughout the night. Well, look how warm it got today. No wonder storms are trying to fire this afternoon. 90 at the airport and 90 in the city and 90 in Georgetown and Giddings. 91 degrees out there in the Llano area currently. Under a partly cloudy sky, those 90-degree readings here in the metro area with south winds at 5 to south-southeasterly at 10 miles per hour. Sunset tonight at 8:20. Pollen count today, mold high over 2,000, grass at 16 low. We anticipate in your allergy forecast for tomorrow we'll continue to see high mold but low grass. Around our state, rain cooled 69 degrees in Abilene. They had 65-mile-per-hour winds measured at the Abilene Regional Airport this afternoon in some of those strong storms. 83 in Dallas. Dallas-Fort Worth under a severe thunderstorm warning 2 in the last hour. And there you can see that big cluster of thunderstorms that formed in the Panhandle and is now spreading down to the southeast, especially into north central and north Texas, but other thunderstorms out toward the San Angelo area also spreading our way. Now, by 11 p.m. tonight, our computer model has some lingering showers and thunder showers down southeast of Austin, but otherwise it's pretty much over with. Now, tomorrow, we could still have some lingering boundaries in the area that could, with daytime heating and all the rich moisture in place, flare up some afternoon rain showers or thunderstorms. After tomorrow, though, the probabilities head down, and for the rest of the week, you're not going to see much rain in our 7-day forecast. Let's take a look at that. We'll begin with tonight. Upper 60s and low 70s, the overnight low temperatures. High temperatures tomorrow, mainly middle and upper 80s, maybe not quite as warm as we were today. Tonight, a thunderstorm is going to be a possibility and just about anywhere. 68 the low. Tomorrow, 88. Partly sunny to mostly cloudy sky, and an afternoon shower or thunderstorm certainly could flare up tomorrow. But again, after tomorrow, we'll drop the rain chance down to 20% on Wednesday, back up to about 90. On Thursday, partly cloudy and 92. And then beyond that, well, this doesn't look very normal for May. We're up into the 90s each day, and the rain chances are minimal. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Kind of like this month of May started.
Thanks, Jim. Look at